Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ 2026 is expected to become one of the most exciting compact off-road SUVs in the United States market. This new model is designed to bring the legendary toughness of the Land Cruiser into a smaller, more affordable, and highly capable package. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ combines modern technology, rugged styling, and reliable performance, making it ideal for adventure lovers, city drivers, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Toyota is targeting drivers who want the durability of a Land Cruiser, but in a more compact and fuel-efficient form. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ reflects a bold and boxy look inspired by the classic Land Cruiser heritage. The front fascia features a strong grille with the iconic Toyota branding, round LED headlights, and a muscular bumper that gives the vehicle a powerful road presence. The high ground clearance, wide fender flares, and durable skid plates make it ready for rough terrain and challenging environments. The vehicle is expected to come with 17-inch or 18-inch alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, roof rails, and optional off-road accessories such as tow hooks and roof racks. This design ensures the Mini Land Cruiser FJ looks tough while remaining practical for everyday driving. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ offers a comfortable and modern interior built with high-quality materials. The dashboard features a clean layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system, likely ranging from 8 to 10 inches in size. The system will support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and voice control features. The seats are designed for comfort and durability, with premium fabric or optional leather upholstery. The spacious interior provides enough room for passengers and cargo, making it suitable for family trips, outdoor adventures, and daily commuting. Additional features may include automatic climate control, wireless charging, USB ports, and a premium sound system. F-Performance is one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ. The vehicle is expected to be powered by a reliable 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing approximately 170 to 200 horsepower. Toyota may also offer a hybrid powertrain option to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The engine will likely be paired with an automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction on rough roads, snow, mud, and sand. The Mini Land Cruiser FJ is designed to deliver smooth performance on highways while maintaining strong off-road capability. This balance makes it a versatile SUV for both urban and outdoor use. Safety and driver assistance features will play a major role in the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ. Toyota is expected to include its latest safety suite, which may feature adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and multiple airbags. The strong body structure and advanced safety technology will provide confidence and protection for drivers and passengers. These features are especially important for families and long-distance travelers who prioritize safety and reliability. Milesto fuel efficiency is another key advantage of the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ. With its smaller engine and possible hybrid option, the SUV is expected to deliver better mileage compared to larger Land Cruiser models. Drivers in the United States can expect an estimated fuel economy of around 25 to 30 miles per gallon, depending on the engine configuration and driving conditions. This efficiency makes the Mini Land Cruiser FJ a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and long road trips. The price of the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to be competitive in the compact SUV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of approximately $28,000 to $32,000 for the base model in the United States. Higher trims with advanced features, off-road packages, and premium interiors may reach around $35,000 to $38,000. This pricing strategy positions the Mini Land Cruiser FJ as an affordable alternative to larger off-road SUVs while maintaining the reliability and reputation of the Toyota brand. In terms of models and trims, the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is likely to be available in multiple configurations to suit different needs. The base trim will focus on essential features and value, while mid-level trims may include upgraded technology, comfort features, and enhanced styling. The top-level trim will likely offer advanced off-road capabilities, premium materials, and additional safety technologies. Buyers will be able to choose between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options depending on their driving requirements. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ represents a new chapter in the Land Cruiser family. It combines classic off-road strength with modern efficiency, advanced technology, and practical design. This SUV is expected to attract a wide range of drivers in the United States, from adventure seekers to families looking for a dependable and versatile vehicle. With its strong performance, comfortable interior, and competitive price, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ is set to become one of the most popular compact SUVs in the coming years.